All right. Today I have a 2017 Kia Optima, and I'm going to show you how I apply and disapply, is that even a word, or disengage the parking brake on this particular vehicle. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more great content? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Thanks a lot. So I'm sitting in the vehicle behind the steering wheel, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to look towards the feet. Okay, my vehicle's currently in park, as you can see. All right, I'm going to look towards the feet. There's pedals down there. All right, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to find this pedal to the far left, and you see that it says push on, push off. And what I'm going to see, it says push on, push off. And so what I'm going to do is to engage the parking brake. I'm currently in park. I'm just going to take my foot and press it all the way down as far as it can go. And it is depressed down there. You see that? It's all the way in, and the parking brake is on. And it shows you on the instrument panel that the brake, that's indicator that the parking brake is on right here. All right. So I'm going to zoom back out, and I'm going to release it. And so I'm going to go back down here where it says push on, push off. You see that? I'm going to take my foot again. I'm going to push it in, release it, and it pops back up, and it is disengaged. As you can see up on your instrument panel, it is no longer on. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.